So, when you're a mom, it's hard to figure out what to cook for dinner. And sometimes it's easier to use one item to make 3 meals. So, for example, last night I roasted chicken. Don't mind all this grease in the bottom because trust me, that's the good stuff. So, today, the same chicken will be used to make chicken sandwich. So, of course I always have my little helper here. I'm literally cutting the breast, just a little piece of it, just to make a sandwich, right? We'll cut it. There we go. We'll have a nice piece. Get the breast. You can use it for lunch. If your kids like chicken, you can make a nice grilled chicken sandwich for them. And they'll be very happy with it. Marley, move your hand. I know you want to eat it, baby. All right. There we go. So, we have the chicken breast. And we'll save that for later. All right, so you want to save every bit of the chicken. So here you'll see I'm taking the skin off. All right, so here I have chicken breast, some sharp cheddar, some Russian rye, and I like to use my favorite mix here on my sandwiches. Here, this is a sriracha ketchup. If the kids are eating it, it might be a little bit spicy for them, but you can leave that out. You don't have to put the sriracha ketchup on there. And here, I'm doing a mayo mustard mix. I'm telling you, these two together, my favorite. So, what I'll do now, I'll cut the chicken into small slices. It doesn't have to be perfect, okay? Well, I'm only making one sandwich, so I can save that for tomorrow. I can have it with a salad. And then I have this little pan here from my toaster oven. So, what do? It's very simple. Bread, cheese, chicken on the other side, right? Don't forget, we have the all right. What you do with this, you turn the toaster oven on and you put the chicken, the cheese, and the bread inside and you wait for 5 minutes. So, 5 minutes. Not even, I think it was like 3 minutes. So see, cheese is nicely melted and the chicken is nice and warm, right? So what I do, maybe I make my sandwiches weird, but you can always put this on the bread instead. So I'm basically spreading the ketchup sriracha on top. You can add lettuce.
Do with mommy.
You can add any kind of lettuce if you want. Avocado, it's great with avocado.
No.
But right now I'm just making a very simple sandwich. And you know, if you have kids, they like simple. And then you just take it. Ooh, that's yummy.
I was doing a sandwich. Mommy, eat sandwich.
Hold on, baby. I'm going to let you eat sandwich. Sometimes your bread gets stuck. All right, so put that there.
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you.
I know, baby. And so, look at this. What are we going to do? We're going to cut this delicious sandwich. Look at that. Mmm. That is nice.
No.
Do you want to try it? Look, Marley's going to try a piece of the sandwich. Look at that. It's perfect for a 2-year-old. How is it, Marley? It's yummy? Yummy?
It's great, right?
When you make a good sandwich at home, everyone enjoys it. From your brother, to your daughter, to your friend. It doesn't matter. It can be simple and easy, as long as it tastes good.
No?
And make it quick. Yes? So, don't forget to subscribe to Fan's Kitchen so we can make quick and easy meals together.
Yeah, I'm done.
Again, love your belly.
Well.